soaring in the street. He goes where eagles dare. The rivers and the wind, the animals express. Yakari and the wolf thunder, an awesome destiny, a legendary pair. Yakari,
Right now I feel just like a leaf on a breeze. Who knows where it's blowing? Who knows where it's going? I find myself somewhere I never thought I'd be. I'm going round in circles, yeah, thinking about you and me. And how do I explain it when I don't know what to say? What do I do now? So much has changed. Nothing I have ever known has made me feel this way. Nothing I have ever seen has made me want to stay. Here I am, ready for you. I'm torn and I'm falling. I hear my home calling. Hey, I've never felt something so strong. Oh no, it's like nothing I've ever known. You're the one I'm looking for. You're the one I need. You're the one that gives me a reason to believe. Following our star has led to where you are. It feels so strong now. This can't be wrong now. Nothing I have ever known has made me feel this way. Nothing I have ever seen has made me want to stay. Here I am, ready for you. I'm torn and I'm falling. I hear my home calling. Hey, I've never felt something so strong. Oh no, it's like nothing I've ever known. It's like nothing I've ever known. Right now I feel like a leaf on a breeze. Who knows where it's blowing? And who knows where I'm going?
Southern men, the thunders mutter, northern flags and south winds flutter. To arms, to arms, to arms, to arms, in Dixie. Send them back your fierce defiance, stamp upon the cursed alliance. To arms, to arms, to arms, to arms. In Dixie, advance the flag of Dixie. Hurrah, hurrah, for Dixie's land we take our stand and live or die for Dixie. To arms, to arms, and conquer peace for Dixie. To arms, and conquer peace for Dixie. Fear no danger, shun no labor, lift up rifle, pike, and saber. To arms, to arms, to arms, in Dixie. Shoulder pressing close to shoulder, let the odds make each heart bolder. To arms, to arms, to arms, in Dixie. Advance the flag of Dixie. Hurrah, hurrah, for Dixie's land we take our stand and live or die for Dixie. To arms, to arms, and conquer peace for Dixie. To arms, and conquer peace for Dixie. Swear upon your country's altar never to submit or falter. To arms, to arms, to arms, in Dixie. Till the spoilers are defeated, till the Lord's work is completed. To arms, to arms, to arms, in Dixie. Advance the flag of Dixie. Hurrah, hurrah, for Dixie's land we take our stand and live or die for Dixie. To arms, and conquer peace for Dixie. To arms, and conquer peace for Dixie.